Alright, so we're going to look at the future of gaming consoles versus the cloud. So, video games have been around since the 1960s. The first console, the Magnavox Odyssey, was released in '72, and then we have evolved to the eighth generation of home consoles. However, with the popularity of cloud computing, is this evolution of home consoles coming to an end? Alright, so first we're going to look at three main gaming consoles on the market right now. Xbox has its console, the Xbox One. It is non-portable. They have Xbox Live to download content to the system, but it does not stream games. Microsoft is currently working on Project xCloud, which would allow users to stream games using the Xbox. Next, we have PlayStation, which again has its own console as well, the PS4. It is also a non-portable system. They utilize PlayStation Plus to allow users to download content and apps, but it doesn't actually stream games. PlayStation does, however, have PlayStation Now, which allows users to currently stream games using either the PS4 or a PC. Lastly, we have Nintendo, which has the Nintendo Switch out right now. This system is portable. It has Switch Online, which allows users to continue to play with other users online, but they have to actually have the game in hand in order to be able to use it. Kind of a catch-22 there. Next up, we're looking at cloud gaming. Looks promising, but are we really ready for this? So cloud gaming, also known as gaming as a service, is just like cloud-based computers. The games would run on a server and would decrease the hardware requirements for the user. It allows the users to choose what type of device they want to use to access those games. Of the current gaming services listed, PlayStation Now is the only one that's actually connected to any type of console or anything like that. The others are all catered towards PC gamers. This leads to some of the issues encountered with gaming as a service. Latency is a major factor right now. While hardware is continually getting better, the location of the data centers utilized by the gaming services, along with the hardware that users have in their homes, especially things like routers, are the weak points when we're looking at latency. We are in a technology-driven world, but the need for an internet connection can also be a major drawback. Consoles, you don't always need the internet connection to play. When you're looking at gaming as a service, you do need that connection. Another one, getting publishers to buy in that this can actually be a profitable market where they're actually going to make money off of their games is another hurdle to overcome. And lastly, as I previously mentioned, the majority of services right now are geared towards PC gamers. So overall opinions, there are many advances coming along in the way of gaming as a service. Internet connections, related hardware and stuff like that are always increasing in quality. But even with these advances, we've seen some of the older systems release retro style consoles. I do know Nintendo is no longer going to continue with their two, but PlayStation is looking at putting one out, which you never know. Nintendo may end up wanting to come back out again. There are a lot of kinks to work out before gaming as a service becomes the standard. Consoles still have a major appeal to a large portion of gamers out there. So all in all, I would say that cloud gaming is the future, but in my opinion, it's going to be a while before we see it take over any of the major consoles or anything like that.